Christine plays on saving her money. She intends to fill her piggy bank for 12 weeks. On the first week, she puts 5 pesos. Then on the second week, 10 pesos. On the third week, 20 pesos. And so on up to 12 week. How much did Christine save from the first week to the 6th week?
Si Christine daw, nagsisave siya ng pera. Nung unang linggo, 5 pesos yung nilagay niya sa kanyang piggy bank. Then nung pangalawa, 10 pesos. Then nung pangatlo, 20 na yung nilagay. Then hanggang sa 12 week. So ang tanong, ilan daw na yung naipon niya after 6th week? So nagawa tayo ng table. Gaya nito. Unang linggo, ilan nilagay niya? 5. Pangalawa, 10. Pangatlo, 20. Okay, nagigets nyo ba yung pagkakasunod-sunod? So every week, nadodoble yung hinuhulog niya. So nung una, yung 5 lang. Yung 5 na doble, naging 10. Then yung 10 na doble na yung 20. So susunod kaya, ilan na kayong hihuhulog niya? Malamang pag dinoble mo yung 20, yan ay 40. Then yung 40 doblehin mo, yan ay 80. Yung 80 doblehin mo, 160. So ang tanong, ilan na yung naipon niya? So pag-addin natin lahat yan. At ilan lahat yan? 315. Okay, tignan nyo yung table na to. So noong unang linggo, 5 yung nilagay niya. Okay, 5. 5 times 2 raised to 0. 2 raised to 0 yan ay 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Then nung second week, o yung second term, so 5 times 2. Or 5 times 2 raised to 1. Then yung third term, so 20 na yun. Or 5 times 2 times 2. Or 5 times 2 raised to 2. Then nung fourth, 5 times 2 times 2 times 2. Or 5 times 2 raised to 3. So yung 5, kung papansin nyo, yan yung first term. And then yung mga yan yung mga ratio. Yung 2. So, papansin nyo, the number of terms less than 1 or n minus 1. Yung nasa exponent niya. So therefore, ano kaya yung formula dyan? So ang nth term for the geometric sequence, a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1. Okay, para mahanap natin yung susunod na term, ito yung formula. Or yung a sub n, yan yung last term or nth term. Yung a sub 1, yan yung first term. Yung r, yan yung common ratio. And yung n, yan yung number of terms. So, pare-pareho yung situation. So, pero yung tanong, ilan na daw yung kailangan niyang isave sa pang-anim na week? So, gamitin natin yung formula. Ano nga ba yung first term? First term, yung una niyang hinulog, yung 5. So, naghulog siya ng 5. Then, sumunod, 10. And sumunod, 20. And so on. So, na yung first term niya? Siyempre, that is 5. Then, yung common ratio, paano kunin yung common ratio? Kuha tayo ng dalawang magkatabing terms. Ayan, 10 saka 5. So, yan, 10 divided by 5, and that is equal to 2. Then, yung n, ano yung n natin? 6. Paano nakuha yung 6? Hindi naman yung tanong ko. 6th week. So, 6 yung n niya. Okay, then substitute natin. So, a sub 1, ano yung first term? 5 times r, which is 2. Then, n minus 1. So, 5 times 2. 6 minus 1 is 5. Then, 2 raised to 5 is 32. Paano ko na kayang 32? So, 2 raised to 5, yan ay 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So, 5 to yan pag multiplyin mo. And 5 times 32. And 5 times 32 is 160. 160. So, ang 6th term, natin is 160. Given the geometric sequence, 243, 81, 27, and so on. Then, find the 5th term. So, ano nga ba yung first term natin? So, first term is yung 243. Common ratio is 27 divided by 81. So, lowest term natin siya. Paano natin lowest term? So, bibigay ako ng shortcut. So, yan, gawin yung 81 divided by 27. And that is 3. 3, because 3 times 27 is 81. At dahil 3 yun, yan ay magiging 1 over 3. So, fraction na yung common ratio natin. And about yung n? Siyempre, 5 yan. Kasi, fifth term. Ako din substitute na natin. So, first term is 243. Times common ratio, 1/3. Raised to n, or 5, minus 1. And that is equal to 243 times 1/3. 5 minus 1 yan ay 4. And 243 times 1/3 raised to 4, yan ay 1 raised to 4, yan ay 1. And 3 raised to 4, that is 81. And 243 times 1/81, that is equal to 243/81. And 243 divided by 1, ang sagot ay 3. So, ang fifth term natin, ang panglimang term ay 3. The first term of the geometric sequence is 4, and the second term is 8. Find the seventh term. Okay, so ano yung first term natin? So, ulitin ko, 4. Then yung R, o common ratio. So, yung second term daw is 8. And yung first term is 4. And 8/4, that is 2. And yung N, that is 7. So, A sub 7. So, first term is 4 times 2 raised to N natin is 7, minus 1. And tapos 7 minus 1 ay 6. 4. Ang sagot sa 2 raised to 6 ay 64. 4 times 64. And 4 times 64 is 256. So, ang seventh term natin ay 256. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayong natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.